Stormwater runoff is what happens when rain falls on the surface of the ground, and once it hits the ground it can mobilize pollutants that are already on the surface, like heavy metals or trash.
When stormwater runoff runs into the drain that's in the street, those pipes don't go to a treatment plant. They just run into the nearest body of water, usually without any treatment at all.
It really impacts the water quality considerably, and it can degrade aquatic habitat for fish and amphibians and the creatures that use our water bodies. And it's also human health too. Stormwater runoff is probably the primary reasons why beaches are closed.
And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain? I went down Virginia.
There are cities in those upper parts of the watershed that really feel like they don't have a strong connection to the coastline, and yet that watershed is ultimately coming down through the rivers and the creeks and impacting the coast.
The first flush is that initial pulse of runoff that comes off an urban site or a residential site. The first flush generally has higher pollutant concentrations, higher loads than the rest of the storm events.
Traditionally, the way we've dealt with stormwater is we've allowed water to run off the roofs of the houses, down the downspouts, into the roads, through the drop inlet, into the pipe system, and then straight out to the river. The traditional thinking was to get those stormwater flows out to the ocean as rapidly as possible.
So a natural watershed does have a lot of native vegetation that will slow the rainfall down, and as the water runs across the surface, it infiltrates in. And so we call that sort of a natural watershed process.
Creeks and streams have, in a natural setting, have floodplains. Those floodplains act as sponges. Towns and cities where we have huge extensive impervious area, those floodplain sponges have been paved over, hence raising the water level and the flow within that channel very dramatically in relatively short periods of time with relatively low rainfall. So the way we can counteract the loss of our floodplain sponges is wherever we do development, try and encourage infiltration using techniques which we call low impact development.
The exciting thing is this new wave of looking at low impact development and approaching the urban landscapes, their built landscapes, as if they were natural watersheds that used to exist before the urban area, and trying to mimic a lot of the natural functions and behavior as we build out.
We're trying to get people to think about watersheds and think about how, rather than building huge treatment facilities at the bottom of the watershed to address stormwater problems, which would really be impossible given how built out our coastline is, that we're trying to get them to work within the watersheds and really find ways to capture and treat and then reuse the stormwater runoff in a beneficial way.
We're all live in a watershed, and so I really think it's in everyone's best interest, it's in society's best interest to really take care of our water resources.
Long as I remember, the rain's been coming down, clouds of mystery pouring, confusion on the ground. Good men through the ages, trying to find the sun. And I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the